Hello, I'm Chris Swaffer, Product Manager for Notion here at PreSonus. This QuickStart video focuses on Notion sounds, playback, and live performance. When it comes to sound, Notion is unique among notation software programs. Firstly, in that its sample library of the London Symphony Orchestra recorded at Abbey Road was specifically created for Notion. It's been optimized to respond to the written note and symbol. The more articulations, dynamics, and techniques you notate, the more the sounds come alive. Secondly is Notion's ability to not only simply play these sounds back, but to be used for live performance, whether on stage, accompanying a student or choir, or just adding more human rubato into a demo track. Let's show you. Here's one of the demo scores. Now we can of course just press play. But when you engage Notion's NTempo feature, you can now tap the tempo in real time using either the computer keyboard or an attached MIDI instrument. This means you now have the sounds of the London Symphony Orchestra under the command of your little finger. Now, if you have a touch-sensitive MIDI instrument attached, it means not only can you tap tempo, but also dynamics, by hitting the key harder or softer each time you tap. This means you can react in real time to ensemble balance, or be able to add some degree of expression and movement into an otherwise static musical phrase. Obviously, there is more required for performance than just tapping forward, so there are shortcuts for vamp, take a repeat again, jump out of a repeat, fade out, fade in, and of course, stop. It's unlikely you'll need to vamp during performance of the Nutcracker, but in different contexts this could be very useful if, say, Peter Pan has got stuck in the wings, or if a guitarist wants to take another 8 bars for their solo. Happens frequently enough. Then you can adjust on the fly. You can also navigate using the keys between notes, bars, or rehearsal marks. A useful overlay which centers around middle C can be printed from the Shortcuts PDF found in the Help menu. And you can customize which note triggers what in the MIDI device commands menu. You can drill right in and adjust what the tapping rhythm should be if it's not the default time signature, or if you want more control over a writ by subdividing it, for example. And with this NTempo Staff, you can record your performance, so that you can then export audio from Notion with your desired performance burnt in. As you'll have noticed, also in this file I'm using the Performance Black theme to avoid excessive screen glare on stage or in the pit. This playback function is also great in the classroom and indeed for instrumental or conducting training. As an additional resource, you also get the Notion score library with Notion 6, some 200 public domain scores for you to explore and perform. Log into your My.PreSonus.com or Sphere account and download the library from your Notion 6 product page. Finally, let's take a quick look at Notion's mixer. Here you can set up your levels, you can group instruments together into buses, you can set the stereo panning, here putting first violins on the left and second violins on the right. And you can add effects, either to the individual channel or to the bus or master. And if you are using this in more professional live performance environments, note that you can output up to 32 pairs of audio from Notion to external hardware, giving more control to a front-of-house mixer in a musical, for example. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.